back to IP Farms. Well, it's Thursday. Guess we're going to get started welding on this boom here. I'm not sure how much I'm going to get done today. It's one of my earlier days. I'm going to try to knock off a little bit earlier and head to the house, see the wife. And I haven't even checked the machine yet. I'm thinking on the way up here. I haven't put wire in a pretty good while, and I've done quite a bit of welding, so my luck will probably run out of wire halfway through what I'm doing. But anyway, we'll see how that goes. We'll try to get the boom welded up today, at least the bottom for sure. Maybe try to start pulling the top beam up, get it back in place. I'm gonna have to do some more grinding. Not looking forward to that. That was unreal. But anyway, what I think I'm gonna do is if I can get the boom and everything welded up back like it's supposed to be, get some good beads laid in it, then I believe I'm gonna go ahead and move this unit outside. We'll measure up some gussets. I got to talk to my buddy this weekend. You know, made a lot of good suggestions in the comments, and you guys are awesome with that. But I'm not sure 100%. I think I'm gonna put some kind of gusset in. I'm not sure how heavy duty it's gonna be, just because I would rather it break again here than somewhere else on the loader. Just the way the leverage is. But either way, we're gonna do something with it to brace it up besides the weld. I'm just not 100% sure exactly what I'm gonna do. But I think once I get them welded back together like I'm supposed to, I think I'm gonna move it back over into the other side where it usually stays. And I got to look into getting the hard lines for the hydraulics and get some of those replaced. So wrap this one up. We've got a survey coming in the morning on Friday. I'm looking forward to that. Get this couple of property lines surveyed and some stakes put out that ties into the front field into the donkey pasture. So hopefully this coming Saturday, if that goes well, then I'm gonna be able to. I'll know exactly where what I've got to finish up clearing right against the line and whatnot, and might get back out if the weather holds out. Get back out and do some clearings in the field Saturday, because I'm chomping at the bit. It's not gonna take a whole lot to get those fields finished up and ready to go. So we'll see what happens. And while I'm in there and talking a little bit here, because it might be a little shorter video on the action, maybe not. I'm going to take the wife on a vacation over Easter, so I'm not real sure yet how I'm going to do the video situation. If I'm going to try to get some, you know, made up to upload throughout the time, may not. I've got a few days off work before we go to the beach and a few days off work when we get back from the beach, so there may be a lull, not this coming weekend, but the next. It's like the weekend of the, I don't know, second or third, whatever Easter weekend is. But anyway, we'll talk more about that later on. So let me see if I can get the welder drug around here and get started. I didn't bring my long sleeve shirt today. I hate that. I'm going to smell like burnt skin all night, but it's just too hot to put the coveralls back on today, and they're full of metal dust. So we'll see what we can get accomplished. Okay, just as I expected, I don't know, there's not much wire left in there, so can't believe I did that, but we'll weld till we run out of wire, run out of time, one of the two. So it might be a shorter video. I'm going to try to break this one up a little bit in some real time and some time lapse. I've already gotten long-winded. Look back 3 minutes of me blabbing again, so I don't know why it takes me so long to say what I need to say, but anyway, let's see what we can do here. Again, I'm going to say ahead of time, I'm going to get in the whole debate about welding uphill, downhill, exactly how it is. Done this all my life. Everything's worked out. I'm not saying I'm perfect at it. I'm not saying I'm great at it, but again, farm equipment, machine shop, we're not. Fab shop, we are. It's close, we're going to roll with it. Surely to goodness I can put some better beads on this than what was on there, so see what happens. Okay, everybody, I believe we'll wrap this one up for today. Boom's getting quite hot, and I'm not sure, there shouldn't be any hydraulic oil in there or whatever, but I'm going to go ahead and quit on it today and let it cool down before I leave. It's not the best in the world by no means. We got a couple good beads in there, cracks welded up there, welded on the back. This side's not as good. I can't see like I used to. I need to get me another lens for the helmet, but anyway, I don't think it's going anywhere. So got some of it in real time, some of it in a little bit of time lapse, so hopefully that's a good variety there. About out of wire in the welder, so what I may end up doing is just wait until Saturday. May come up here tomorrow and try to tack this up, get that top brace pulled up now that all this down there is situated, and get that tacked up. And I may just wait till Saturday. My buddy's here first thing in the morning, go ahead and get that welded up. But we'll see. Probably wrap this one up on the boom repair. As far as you know, there's not much more, just a couple more beads to run up here on top, and so it's the same as the bottom basically. I don't know, I might throw in a little tidbit of pulling that up if I get to do that tomorrow. I might make a video of that, but I don't think it's going to be much welding, depending on how much that's going to be. I'm sure you guys have seen enough of that already. So anyway, we'll see what tomorrow brings. Just wanted to say thank you everybody for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Share the video, get it out there. Might be some other people that's interested in this kind of thing. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I understand it's not for everybody, but really appreciate the continued following you guys are bringing, and thank you to all the new subscribers who've come over. Like I said, it's a variety day to day. I'm trying to get these projects wrapped up, so hopefully when the weather does break, we can get back out in the field. So it's raining today, supposed to be some bad storms here in another hour, and then carry over rain and then in the morning, and then rain again Saturday evening and Sunday. So no end in sight for right now, but until next time, thank you.